Well, on this side, since I have the full piece, I can't just overlay it like this and expect that those lines are going to be accurate. Because, number one, if you look at the body line there, that looks like shit. And this is so rusted here, it's uneven. So I'm going to trim off the bottom piece and this back piece here. So this piece fits up of what's left of the inside. Then I'm confident that where I have this pushed and set, that will be the right place where we can then cut. I don't want to be too close to the body line, but if I'm within an inch of that body line, that should be a little easier to keep that well. And we'll see how it goes.